How to reinstall Microsoft Store in Windows 11 is what I'm going to show you in this video. Now, for me, the Microsoft Store works fine. So eventually, after reinstalling it using this tutorial, it should look like this with the home, apps, and gaming. Now, how do we reinstall this? Now, left click the Windows Start button and search for PowerShell. Now, you can either right click run as administrator or on the right run as administrator, which is important. Now you're in the Windows PowerShell and now you want to enter this command, which will be linked in the description, or I'll put it in the description. You then want to hit enter, wait till all that finishes and nothing happens for a second. Now, once you're done with that, you can close out the PowerShell, restart your PC, restart. Once you're back on your desktop, all you got to do is go to Microsoft Store. There we go. Open that up, and it should essentially look like this one. And you have successfully reinstalled your Microsoft Store in Windows 11. If this video helped you out, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.